Good morning, fellow students, parents, and colleagues. I hope everyone had a very healthy and restful spring break. I know we are certainly living in uncertain times with everything that's going on with the COVID-19 virus, but I hope everyone is keeping exceptionally safe during this time. Saying that, that brings us to distance learning, which starts today, and I hope everyone has everything set up and ready to go for that. Um, just a couple of things I would like to say as we progress through this time period. One is the fact that this is a new learning curve for many staff, many students, for many parents as well. And I want to assure you that we will support you throughout this whole process. We have all of our staff are fully committed to ensuring all of our students, whether that be through academic, any pastoral needs, anything that is required, we will fully support all students. And we know that things might not go as expected, and we have to be patient and caring and understanding. Um, but I would like to assure you that we are definitely here to support all of our students and parents and any queries that they do have. On Thursday, we had an opportunity to test run our Microsoft Teams platform, which we're using for distance learning. That went exceptionally well. I am grateful for the students who came online during the spring break. Um, and they went online and they were excited and they were very enthusiastic to see each other. That was great, and we managed to use some of the video conferencing as well. The homeroom teachers, again, thank you to all of you who went online and supported that during your spring break as well. But it went really, really well. So I'm very pleased, and we are ready for distance learning today to take place. A couple of queries came up from that session. One was about timetables, and the other was about attendance. In regards to timetables, we're expecting all middle school and high school students to follow the regular timetable. You will get your regular breaks, break time, lunch time, and what we will do is we will actually end lessons 10 minutes early, just to give a bit of time for a transition between students going from one Microsoft Teams class to another Microsoft Teams class. Just catch your breath, get a break in, um, get some water, get a snack, whatever you need to do. We will definitely do that. So that's in regards to the actual timetable. In relation to attendance, we are expecting all students to be online in the same way we'd expect you to be actually in the building. And your attendance is really important, especially for students um, in the high school, as your credits, which will go towards your graduation, will go towards your graduation diploma. So it is the amount of hours that you do accrue over the time is really important, as they will give you credits. So attendance is really important. But we do know that students, they get ill or so forth, but please just communicate with us. We'll happily support you. You will be pleased to know that many of the lessons will be done through video conferencing. So students, if they do miss a lesson, they'll be able to go back online and check the video conference, and actually see what they've missed in their learning. Um, so we would like to assure you that we will support you through that entire process. Um, and obviously, as we go through this, we are going to send a feedback form to parents. So please have a look at that. What it will allow you to do is just give us a little bit of feedback about how distance learning is happening in your own home. And we do know that there will be some challenges, and there will be some things that you think are fantastic, as in terms of students taking more responsibility, or how they've actually set up their own um, area and have a dedicated space for that. But we do know that there will be challenges. I can assure you of that. And again, we want to support you with that. So please have a look at the documentation, which I'm going to send out. It is a feedback form. Your support, your feedback there is exceptionally useful and would be exceptionally helpful, just so we can obviously shape things moving forward. But that is it. I mean, I think I would just like to say at this stage is thank you very much in advance for everyone's patience, their understanding, their ability to be flexible and adaptable during this situation. Yes, it's not ideal. I mean, I would rather obviously see all the students. I hope they say the same about me. I don't know. But I want to assure everyone that we have your best interests. We will support you throughout this entire process, and we'll keep these videos going. And I think we'll start adding some challenges and some fun things along the way as well. So, any questions, any queries, please get in touch with us. We're happy to support you technically, pastorally, academically. We're here to support you 100% from the entire Collegiate American School staff. Take care.